If your Mac key is not working, then try this. First of all, check for dirt or debris. Use compressed air to blow between the keys, gently shake the MacBook or use a soft brush, especially useful for butterfly-style keyboards on MacBook 2015 or 2019. Then once done so, restart your Mac. Simply click on the Apple menu at the top left corner of your screen and from the drop-down, tap on the Restart option available there. A simple restart can fix temporary software glitches affecting the keyboard. Now, all you have to do is once restarted, go back to the home screen again. Now, all you have to do is simply tap on the Apple icon available again and tap on the system settings. Then inside system settings, at the left hand side menu, you can see general option available there. Simply tap on it. Then tap on the software update option available there. Then all you have to do is update your software to the latest version. If your keys are again not working, then all you have to do is you will need a hardware repair, especially on older MacBooks with butterfly keyboards. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.